Hello. The analytical service is in touch with you. System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the corporation. If you want, you can pause the video. We suggest that you study all the indicators of the corporation under study in detail. Now we will look at the main indicators of the organization GLOBUS Medical Incorporated, ticker GMED. The review is based on information as of June 27, 2025. According to classification GURU.Markets organization, GLOBUS Medical Incorporated belongs to the subcategory. Look for the decisions made at the end of this video. The result for the company under study is 9.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 3.4 points. If you look very broadly, within the framework of the entire market in general, note that the average result for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against the company's score of 9.5, GLOBUS Medical Incorporated. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price, GLOBUS Medical Incorporated, and subcategory shares, we can see that over the last 12 months, the stock GLOBUS Medical Incorporated showed a dynamics of minus 12.5%. Against the price dynamics in the subcategory of 21.7%. Market capitalization of the company GLOBUS Medical Inc. valued at $7.96 billion. The company's book value is $3.41 billion. And the balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory is $62 billion. By comparing the shares of market and book value, we see the following. Share GLOBUS Medical Inc. in the subcategory when assessing the market value is 2.531%. The book value is 5.505%. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's debt obligations amount to $0.068 billion. Debt to book value ratio is 2% of the company's equity. Assessment of the company's level of financial obligations, very good, 2 points. The company's market value to earnings ratio is 42.9. The average in the subcategory is 86.8. Evaluation of the stock market value to earnings ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very good, 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $186 million. Profits over the next 12 months are projected to be $500 million. Assessment of projected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's value to revenue ratio is 3.2. Average for the subcategory is 6.1. Evaluation of the company's stock price to revenue ratio compared to the subcategory indicators, good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $2,510 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $4,090 million. Assessment of the indicators of projected future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The marginality is 7.4%, with an average in the subcategory of 7.1%. Profitability assessment compared to subcategory indicators, good, 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of personnel in the subcategory is 3.458%. This is 37% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is equal to $1,500 and $2,000, while in the subcategory there are $2,000 and $53,000. Assessment of the amount of company capital per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per individual employee is $35,000. The average in the subcategory is $23,700. Evaluation of profit per employee compared to indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's sales volume per employee is $474,000. In the subcategory, $334,000. Evaluation of the share of revenue per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. There are 4.1% of shares for sale, compared to an average of 3% for the subcategory. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 43% for the company GLOBUS Medical Inc. In the subcategory, this level is 58%. The company's actual share price is around $58.81. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is around $85.90. Let's go to the order table, which is available to you. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all publicly accepted decisions in the current season by the information and reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the valuation of securities GLOBUS Medical Incorporated, Information System of Assessment GURU.Markets, a decision has been made. Open a buy trade at $58.82. The deal was opened due to the fact that the company has a fairly high valuation. The organization's assessment was carried out based on the assessment model, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 74.22. Stop loss is set at 43.42. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is fixed automatically based on the results of the exchange session on July 27, 2025, or on the last working day before the specified date. Ticker ESTA is a countervailing sale transaction. The video on the balancing order will be or has already been published on this channel. In case of closing of any of the orders, basic or balancing, the second order is fixed at the final price. Thank you very much to the audience for watching to the end and for using the help system, Guru Markets.